Those of us who love lavender and have it growing in our gardens will know that this is the peak season for that beautiful plant with its delectable fragrance and gorgeous flower. So we've taken a trip down to the Red Hill Lavender Farm and Distillery to check it out. Let's go take a look. Can you see the bees? There are millions of them, and hear their hum. They are so happy, they love this stuff. Studies have shown that lavender can change the behaviour, the memory, and even the DNA in the honeybee. Wow. Lavender is grown, harvested and distilled right here on the property, and they're made into a variety of products such as oils, candles, honey, lollies, creams, etc. Let's go check it out. The Red Hill Lavender Farm and Distillery is only open during the growing season, which is December and January each year. Do come down and take a look, it is gorgeous. See you next time.